Hey guys, it's Savannah. Today I'm going to be doing the review of the Noobie box and the Wonder box. Let's get started. Let me turn off my Grey's Anatomy. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing the Wonder box and the Noobie box. These are both baby boxes, but first I want to show you guys. These are all free samples. This one I had to pay for the shipping. But this is a medicine spoon. I got 2 of those. Yellow camo passy. A little. This is so cool. You put it with medicine and then the baby can suck it. This is another passy, but it does that. So these come out like that. And then you can, super cute. Sorry guys. These socks remind me of little, like the blankets you get when you receive your baby. Super cute. Put all that aside. Now we're gonna hop into the box. This is the Wonder box. And this is what it says on it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna open it. It's earth friendly. Okay, so this is the first thing I see. And these are just like a bunch of coupons. They also gave me some gift cards, which is super nice. And this is actually a book that like I can get like baby formula. Okay. Another pamphlet. I will show you what this is in a minute. It's pretty cool though. Okay. So I got some infant formula. That's the brand. Easy to digest, brain building, and that. Okay, so this is for sensitive tummies. So let's say your baby can't have lactose. I would try this. And this is just Gentlease. These are my new favorite things. This is formula. It's already made, guys. This formula is already made. So, that's pretty cool. I would recommend buying these. So when you want to use these, you shake them up. And then you put this little on and there you go. So that's this box. This box I didn't have to pay for anything. It was totally free. Sorry guys. Me. Move on. So that's the Wonder box. Okay. This is the Noobie box. This is not free. You have to pay for shipping, but it's still good. Okay. So when you open it, you'll get this, and it says, "Dear Noobie Mom, congratulations on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly." And then, you know, it's pretty cute. It's the back. So we're gonna get started. First things first, this is just some powder. It's gluten-free, non-GMO. It's a breastfeeding supplement. It's kind of weird. That's the back. This should not be used during pregnancy. And that's what happens. I've never seen anything like this. So this is for Mom. The next thing, this is an ultra soothing balm. So very dry, irritated, sensitive skin. The next thing, what is this? Samples inside, so you get nursing pads and storage pads. So here's the nursing pads. And then it gave me some bags for breast milk. What else? And then this is just a guide. You can read it if you want. I mean, let's see what it has. I mean, it has like strollers, how to order, different kind of stuff. You can also do birth facts, which is kind of cool. And then this is just breastfeeding basics. So just a book about breastfeeding. Kind of cool. This is, say, a coupon. So got a coupon for Zarbee's. And it tells you what it is. It's just like an essential oil for breastfeeded babies, if you decide to breastfeed. I got some daily pads. I don't know why. Some diaper rash cream. I got a pacifier. That's what it looks like. Kind of weird. This is for mommy's nipple, so it's smooth and protects sore and cracked nipples. Hand sanitizer wipes, because every time you change that diaper, you know you want to have clean hands. Even after breastfeeding, you can. This is just a pack of water wipes. Super nice. Okay, the last thing in this box, diapers. So, let me just pull out a diaper. How cute, guys. How stinking cute. Okay, let me put everything back. Okay. So yes, this box, I believe it costed $5 for shipping, but you get diapers, wipes, milk flow, some wipes. You get all these goodies. Plus, if you're planning to breastfeed, this box is good for you. I'm really not sure if I'm going to use this passy in the future. It's called the Boone Pacifier. Kind of weird. Okay. And all of this was from another website. So these are medicine spoons, some little socks. It's a little camo. Sorry guys, my mom's texting me. Okay. This is super cool because you can fill it up with medicine and then have your little baby. And then I've never seen anything like this. It's super, see? And then like that. I hope you guys enjoy my review. I'm sorry if I went too fast, but if you have any questions, you can comment down below. So, this was the Noobie box, and you had to pay for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll get right to you. Bye guys, have an amazing night.